Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect Starkey Hearing Aids to an iPhone. We'll take things step by step, and if you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the My Starkey app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Accessibility. Then, find Hearing Devices. Remove the hearing aids from the charging dock. Your iPhone is automatically searching for the hearing devices. Once your iPhone has found the hearing device, select it. Select Pair to connect your right hearing aid. Select Pair to connect your left hearing aid. We will now return to the home screen. Then open the My Starkey app. You are now connected. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.